Roof installation quality directly impacts durability, safety, and long-term performance. Manual inspections are time-consuming and often inconsistent. In this demo, our AI-powered computer vision system performs automated quality control. It detects each fastener along the roof panel and measures precise spacing between fasteners in real time. Beyond individual fasteners, the system evaluates overall installation quality. Using spatial analysis and geometric validation, the AI detects panel alignment and positioning and identifies installation zones and structural sections. The captured data is processed through advanced analytical models that assess measurements, detect anomalies, and validate installation accuracy. The system automatically flags deviations and provides data-driven recommendations for correction. AI-powered quality control enables automated objective inspections, immediate feedback for installers, reduced inspection time, fewer installation errors and rework, lower warranty and compliance risks,